Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing this My Trini box for you. If you've never heard of My Trini box, they're doing really amazing things by bringing all of our favorites from Trinidad to us around the world. And this box that I have in front of me, it is the September box or the Palour box. And those of you all who know, a Palour is a small store in Trinidad where you can go and get goodies or treats. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box. I love the design of the box, very patriotic. Love that. And when you open up the box, here you have all of your goodies inside. So I'm really excited for this. So the first thing I see is this kiss cake or cupcake box. I'm sure all of you watching, your mouth, I can tell you your mouth is watering right now. Just thinking about living in the US, you can't have access to these, and you can order it through My Trini box. So I can't wait to dig into this especially. The next item is a twin crunch, really delicious. A pack of bourbon creams, so Devon bourbon creams. I think for Christmas, this was one of the things that we used to make sure we had in our homes for Christmas. Really delicious. Next we have chili balls. Who doesn't love a good chili ball? So amazing. Next we get a couple bobbies in here. So I count 5, that's 6, 7, 8 bobbies. Wow, 8 bobbies, guys. Ooh, my favorite, a pack of rough top. Who doesn't love rough tops, right? Wow, caramel. I love me a caramel. All we Trinis love our caramel. We have a pack of cheese sticks, and the last item in the box is Zumas, one of my all-time favorite snacks. So I have to say this box was curated really well by these guys. Let me just go over it one more time with you all. So let me set the box aside. So we have bobbies, caramel, bourbon creams, kiss cake, twin, cheese sticks, chili balls, Zumas, and rough tops, all from My Trini box. So My Trini box is a subscription box service that is doing really amazing things by bringing all of our favorite items from Trinidad and Tobago to us wherever in the world we live. So if you guys are interested in knowing more about My Trini box, I would leave all of their information down in the description box, so make sure and check them out. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what do you think. Thank you guys so much for sending me this box. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Go check out My Trini box. See you guys. Bye bye.